A forensic toxicologist is continuing to give evidence in the trial of accused mushroom triple murderer Erin Patterson. Ms Patterson has pleaded not guilty to killing 3 of her estranged husband's relatives who died after she served them a meal containing death cap mushrooms. Alexandra Alvaro joins us now from the Latrobe Valley Magistrates Court. So Alex, what have we heard this morning?
Yeah, we're currently hearing about the toxicology results from the guests who attended that beef Wellington lunch, and we're hearing from Victoria's chief toxicologist, Dr. Dimitri Gerostimoulos, and he's been cross-examined today. And yesterday he gave evidence that death cap mushroom toxins were detected in 2 of those lunch guests, in Ian Wilkinson and Dom Patterson, but not in the other 2, the 2 women, and not in Erin Patterson. Now, the defence case is that Ms Patterson ate the same lunch as her guests and that she became ill, but just not as unwell as those guests. But the prosecution argues that she didn't eat the same lunch and that she didn't become unwell. But today, under cross-examination, Dr. Gerostimoulos has agreed that age, weight and health might influence how someone reacts to the toxins and what their tolerance might be. And he's just in the process of being re-examined now by the prosecution.
And it's been a big week of evidence, Alex, hasn't it? What have we heard?
Yeah, there's been a lot of scientific evidence, a lot of medical evidence. We've heard from 2 mycologists or mushroom experts. One of them gave evidence that death cap mushrooms had been sighted in 2 towns close to Erin Patterson's home in Leongatha, in Outram and Lock. And the prosecution's case is that her phone data shows that she visited those towns, or suggests that she visited those towns in the months before the lunch. We heard from another mycologist who looked at the leftovers of that beef Wellington lunch. She said that she didn't find any signs of death cap mushrooms in those leftovers. And we also heard from Dr. Andrew Burston. He gave evidence that he analysed health records from Ms Patterson in the days after the lunch, and he said that she was suffering from a diarrheal illness, but there were no signs of liver damage. But more dramatically, yesterday a juror was discharged after reports emerged that he had been speaking with family and friends about this case. No findings have been made against him, but it was decided that he would be discharged. So now we're down to 14 jurors, and in the end 12 will decide whether Erin Patterson is guilty or not guilty. Today is a slightly shorter sitting, being a Friday, and then we'll be back on Monday.
Okay, Alex, thank you.